Hello, everybody. I hope your day is going well so far. Mine is going absolutely wonderful. I've had a great day. I hope you have as well. Today is Tuesday, and on Tuesday we do science and sensory. And so I've got some fun science and sensory. We're combining science and sensory. Our theme this week is transportation. So today's activity is going to primarily have to do with cars and trucks and trains and things with wheels, because we are going to learn all about ramps. So I have this booklet here that I'm going to read to you, and I'll read it and then we'll play around with some of the ramps that I've got set up here. Let's walk around the community and look for ramps. Do you see any ramps? I don't know about you, but I see 6. I see a ramp here. I see lots of ramps here. I see a ramp here. I see a ramp here. I see a wheelchair ramp, which we all know about wheelchair ramps. And I see a ramp here. So there are lots of ramps in our community. A ramp is high on one end and low on the other end. This slide here, the slide on the playground, is a ramp. Ramps take you from a high place to a low place. So that's what a ramp does. The train moves fast down the ramp. This train track has a ramp. The train is moving down the ramp. Sliding is to move along a surface while constantly touching it. The side of a hill is a ramp. It's fun to slide down the hill on a sled. The hill is steep, so we move fast. All right. My papers are stuck together. Ramps can be curvy or straight. This roller coaster has many ramps. Look at all those ramps all over the place. Some of the ramps are straight and some curve. So some go like this and some go straight down. Under the highway are strong supports that hold ramps up. These highways are ramps. They go over and under so the cars can get to the other side. That is kind of a confusing highway. I'm really glad that we don't have a highway that confusing in our area. Ramps are one kind of simple machine. Ramps are also called inclined planes. Inclined planes make work easier. It's easier to unload the luggage using this ramp. So they can use the gravity and it makes it easier. So we have some fun ramps. Mr. Joe has allowed us to use his Matchbox car track. So we have a Matchbox car track. I know you can't see me very well, but here is our Matchbox car track. I'm going to grab a car and we are going to run a car down the Matchbox ramp and we'll see what a ramp does. Now this is a very steep ramp and we may end up having the car go airborne. So are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, maybe it's too steep a ramp. So it did not work. Maybe we should move it out a little bit and see if that works. Let's see. Woo! So it didn't go up like it should, but that's okay. That's what a ramp does. So if you have anything at home, like if you have a piece of cardboard, you can put a piece of cardboard on, you could use a box. I'm using a chair. Here, I don't actually have a box that, well, I have a tiny little box. I have the Matchbox box. We could probably actually show you that even the smallest amount of incline, it will go, it will allow the car to go down it. I just made a ramp out of a piece of cardboard and an empty Matchbox box. So let's see what it does when I put it on a high. Let's see how fast the car goes now. Ooh, it went really fast. So this is just a piece of cardboard. I raided my husband's garage, and this is a piece of wooden trim. This is called crown molding, and it actually goes up on the ceiling to make your ceilings decorative. And so I'm going to show you. It's so long that I need to move it back. There we go. See if maybe you can see. Can you see the end? You can see the end. So I'm going to take the Matchbox car track apart, and then I'm going to show you. Look, this is just a piece of board. So we can use this as a ramp. So our car will go down that. We have a pool noodle. I have a pool noodle here, and I cut this pool noodle in half. So let's see if the car will go down the pool noodle. Oh, it gets stuck. So maybe what we need for the pool noodle is I do have some little beads, just some little balls. Maybe find out. We can just experiment with this. Roll the ball down the pool noodle. So you can experiment with all kinds of cool things to see what you can do to make the car or the ball go down the ramp. Make the car or the ball go faster down the ramp. We have some train track here that Mr. Joe brought in. If you have a train track, you can set your train track up and maybe put it. Now I think that some train tracks come with a piece of wood that's kind of bent. So this one I've made a little ramp. So there are all kinds of really wonderful, fun ways that you can use items that you have around your house, and trains or cars or balls, to find out and just experiment with ramps and gravity and friction and find out what works. Make the ball go into something. Make it go into a cup. Put a cup at the bottom of your ramp. Just experiment. Have a good time learning about the world. All right, guys? I hope you enjoyed this experiment. I hope you enjoyed this activity. I know I did. All right. Have a great day. Bye, guys.